Human rights? What do we understand by this? First of all, let's define these words. Human, a member of a primate genus Homo, especially a member of a species Homo sapiens, distinguished from other apes by a large brain and the capacity for speech. Right, things to which you are entitled or allowed, freedoms that are guaranteed. Human rights, the rights you have simply because you're human. So, no matter if you are a girl or a boy or a child, a black man, an Asian, a detective, farmer, pilot, homosexual, or even a grandma or a grandpa, you have these rights. Although ideas of rights and liberty have existed in some form for much of human history, there is agreement that the earlier conceptions do not closely resemble the modern conceptions of human rights. According to Jack Donnelly, in the ancient world, traditional societies typically have had elaborate system of duties, conceptions of justice, political legitimacy, and human flourishing that sought to realize human dignity, flourishing or well-being entirely independent of human rights. These institutions and practices are alternative to rather than different formulation of human rights. The history of human rights can be traced to past documents, particularly Constitution of Medina, 622, Al-Rizala al-Hukuk, 659, 713, Magna Carta in 1215, the 12 Articles of Meiningen, 1525, the English Bill of Rights, 1689, the French Declaration of the Rights of Man and of the Citizen, 1789, and the Bill of Rights in the United States Constitution, 1791. The earliest conceptualization of human rights is credited to ideas about natural rights emanating from natural law. In particular, the issue of universal rights was introduced by the examination of extending rights to indigenous peoples by Spanish clerics such as Francisco de Vitoria de Bartolomé de las Casas. In the Valladolid debate, Joan Gines de Sepulveda, who maintained an Aristotelian view of humanity as divided into classes of different worth, argued with Las Casas, who argued in favor of equal rights to freedom from slavery for all humans regardless of race or religion. The Universal Declaration of Human Rights is a declaration adopted by the United Nations General Assembly on 10 December 1948 at the Palais de Chaillot, Paris. There are 30 rights. First of all, no one has the right to hold you in slavery. No one has the right to torture you. You have the right to recognition everywhere as a person before the law. We are all equal before the law and are entitled to equal protection of the law. You have the right to seek legal help if your rights are violated. No one has the right to wrongly imprison you or force you to leave your country. You have the right to a fair and public trial. Everyone is innocent until proven guilty. You have the right to privacy. No one can interfere with your reputation, family, home, or correspondence. You can travel wherever you want. You have the right to seek asylum in another country if you are being persecuted in your own country. Everyone has the right to a nationality. All adults have the right to marriage and raise a family. You have the right to own property. Everyone has the right to belong to a religion. Freedom of expression. You have the right to free and to voice your opinions to others. Everyone has the right to gather as a peaceful assembly. You have the right to help choose and take part in governing your country directly or through chosen representatives. You have the right to social security and are entitled to economic, social, and cultural help from your government. Workers' right. Every adult has the right to a job, a fair wage, and to join a trade union. You have the right to leisure and rest from work. Everyone has the right to adequate standard of living for themselves and their family. Everyone has the right to education. Your intellectual property as an artist or scientist should be protected. We are all entitled to social order, so we can enjoy these rights. We are all born free and equal. Everyone is entitled to these rights, no matter your race, religion, and nationality. Everyone has the right to life, freedom, and safety. You have the responsibility to respect the rights of others. No one can take away any of your rights.